Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Olay Soft Max Cream. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry before application. Then, take a small, pea-sized amount of cream onto your fingertips. Gently apply it to the desired area, massaging it in with light, circular motions until it is fully absorbed. This simple routine, performed consistently, helps maximize its moisturizing benefits for your skin. For optimal results, apply Olay Soft Max Cream 2 to 3 times daily. Many find it most effective to use immediately after bathing or showering, as this helps to lock in moisture when your skin is still slightly damp. Regular and consistent application is key to maintaining soft, hydrated skin throughout the day and achieving long-lasting benefits. Olay Soft Max Cream is formulated to provide deep moisturization, especially for dry and rough skin. Its key ingredients include urea, lactic acid, and liquid paraffin. Urea helps to hydrate and exfoliate, while lactic acid aids in skin renewal. Liquid paraffin forms a protective barrier, working together to effectively soften and smooth your skin's texture, promoting overall skin health. When using Olay Soft Max Cream, please be careful to avoid contact with your eyes and other sensitive mucous membranes. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. For best efficacy, store the cream in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.